So, I live in the UK, and I make content about driving tips for learners, people who wants to do their driving tests. Basically, not even people who are passed. Sometimes people who are passed get things from my videos, but my videos usually is for people who are learning, who are about to do their driving test in the UK, and that's why usually after my videos I say, so go out there and go pass your test, just so people who already know how to drive will not be like, what kind of content is this? Are you telling me I don't know how to drive? So they know that it is for people who are still learning, people who have not even done their driving test. So on my videos I usually put hashtags UK driving. This is just so people know that, okay, I'm talking about UK drivers. I have hundreds of videos on my page, pages, if I would say, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, anything social media. I have all my contents there. So you want me to, out of the blue, say this video is for UK drivers before I start my content or before I start my video, which I've not been doing. I'm not the algorithm who takes my video to Nigerian people living in Nigeria. But then, if I was online and I see someone talking about left lane is for undertaking, my number 6 would definitely tell me something is wrong. And I have the basic knowledge that not all countries drive from the right side. I'm from Nigeria, we drive from the left side. So this is UK, we drive from the right side. So that's a basic knowledge for a grown man, that not all countries drive on the same side. Not all the countries in the world drive in one side. If I am seeing a content that says drive from this side or overtake from this side, I feel like something is wrong, because you already know that this is the fast lane. This is because I made a distinction about fast lane and overtaking lane. So if you're thinking, okay, this is my left side is my fast lane and I live in Nigeria, so if someone is saying similarities or difference between the right lane and fast lane, so my number 6 will definitely tell me that, oh no, this is not for Nigeria. Still find time to go to that person's comment without reading, which of course, if you had read the descriptions of my videos, you see UK driving, but you did not. You just, you're always eager to comment, you just went to the comment section. You're misleading, you're misinformation. You are the one who his number 6 doesn't work right. Because if it does, your number 6 will tell you that definitely this video is not for me. So if it's not for me, I don't have any right to go on and comment on that person saying he's misinforming people, because he has his own right audience, he has his own audience. So if the algorithm push the video to you understand social media, for God's sake. If the algorithm push the video to you, your number 6 should tell you that this is not for me. And even at that, if you have that number 6, it should tell you that, oh, this person's video is also for me, but the other way around. If this person is saying right lane is not fast lane, it is overtaking lane, and I feel like it is wrong, I'll check it. If I check the person's description and I say, oh no, he's talking about UK drivers, then if UK drivers are the right lane for overtaking lane, then in my country or where I drive, it should be the left lane. This is just basic knowledge. This is just common sense. It's just common sense. Something is off about this video. What is going on? Go to the description. If you did not read it in the first place, go to the description. Oh, okay, this is this. Then all of you just bombarding me, and most of the people that are bombarding me, they are actually not my followers, because my followers already know what I'm talking about. The videos has always been with them, and I guess it's because of this old Anthony Joshua video, that is why everything is happening like that. And I still went ahead and put disclaimer in capital letters, not for Nigerian drivers, for UK drivers only. And after that, people still come and still bash me, drag me on my page. It's my videos, my page. I'm misleading you. Are you a baby? if you see that this something is wrong, and for you to have commented on this, you already know something is wrong. But instead of you to look for what is wrong, you went ahead and comment and misleading people like you're 6 years old. Oh girl, social media.